Chester Goodwill one time. That's when I first met you.
Don't be saying all that in front of her.
I mean,
Leave your number.
oh yeah. Hey, what's up? It's Josh, and in today's episode, we went to a few yard sales. Started out a little slow, but got incredible throughout the day. So hang tight, check out what we found here locally in Central Virginia at a few yard sales for some low cost to make some pretty good money. How's it going? Y'all still getting set up?
Yeah, we're just getting up.
It's all good. I'll swing back through. Good morning.
Aaron actually spoke to me yesterday. He said, stuck up. Oh, we got a house?
Y'all good?
Yeah.
Awake?
Yeah, we're awake. We're awake.
Getting there?
Did we get up 3:30?
No, we didn't leave here at 12 o'clock.
Oh, really?
Then we went home. I guess it was 2 o'clock when I closed my eyes, and then I was back up at 3, so there you go.
Right. Tried to lay down.
Right. And they got the name on the pictures like this one here is Teakwood. I love this. And those are all like the Walt Disney glasses.
Yeah, I see
They're
the
gonna sell them for me, the whole box.
Smurfs ones.
We sell a whole box for $2, $2. This is the key. They don't know. $3 for the whole box if you want it.
$3 the whole box.
The whole box.
I'll do it.
$7.50, depending on, who does what. I got a pair of rain boots.
So you got change?
What you got?
A 20.
Whew, okay.
There's 10, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5.
Oh, there you go.
Thank you very much.
Alrighty. Okay, so only got one thing at this yard sale. Spent $3. It wasn't all Smurf glasses. This Flintstones one was in there. Might get $5 for that. This Pirate Land is pretty cool. This Pirate Land Campground in Myrtle Beach rocks glass. I'm gonna probably put 20 bucks on that. It's got kind of a cool little nostalgic following. Woo. Junky glasses, but then the Smurf lot of 6. I'm thinking probably $20 will get these sold pretty fast. So still not bad for $3.
Oh, that's fine.
Easy cat. Good cat.
Well, you don't have to do all that, Muriel.
You got to talk to her.
All right.
What's up, buddy?
What's going on, man?
$10.
This one's yours?
Yeah.
Your sale?
Yeah.
Guy down the road's got a bunch of good Redskin sweatshirts and stuff.
I got a few of them out here myself.
Do you?
He don't need them.
Where are they at?
What?
Somewhere in here.
I got the coats actually.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah.
And a sweatshirt in there, and then I got a coat back here that I ain't brought up there yet.
Yeah, it's toilet paper. He's got it inside. See?
Now just don't say that about Pittsburgh. And
No, I won't.
What to do, we can't make the playoff. Y'all choking the playoff.
Right. We give you the invite to go.
Yeah, Redskins jersey last week at the flea market, $2 each. I ain't even buying.
So this guy is really great guy. I've run into him at yard sales. You saw he was a thumbnail of one of them. He beat me to some good vintage records, but he was having his own yard sale. That place was a ton of resellers there with all their separate niches. But we relate on this team. We were both fans. So he showed me these two jackets. This Swingster, made in the USA, size large. This is the one I would possibly keep. I love the spell out, the nice little sleeves, all the trim work on this bomber jacket. If it were to sell, probably $30 to $40. But there was another one right here. Different logo because, yeah, a nice chalk line, size large. This would be the one that I would sell, and I actually already have one of these. So really cool find, and it does have the spell out on the back. This one would be more so like in prime season, probably $75 to $80. So not a bad pickup. I've been finding a lot of the vintage Redskin stuff because of the recent name change. Whether people were for it or against it, a lot of people have just disowned the team. So they might have to perform very well this year to get some of those fans back.
This is oh, you like the wrestling too?
Those are cool.
Yeah, it should be some more wrestlers in there somewhere.
Yeah. Yes, I am a avid wrestling fan. So when I did see this little bag that he had, I saw Scott Hall, who sadly just recently passed away, but retired. Undertaker, Kane, you got Stone Cold here. These are the older Jack's Pacific and Toy Biz. These two are Toy Biz. Most of these I'll only get like $5 to $10 a piece. I may just lot them all together just to see how they do, but not a bad pickup. Some of these, always check them out. You find the Elite Series Mattel version of this, you're looking at $35 to $40. But hey, good pickup for this kind of bundle deal.
That I want, man.
I mean, I've run that stuff, so I don't want to pay good money for good stuff.
I got 5 Wii's now. I can't even get around to them.
You ain't got no N64 controller, dude. No. I got like 5 consoles at the house, right? And no controller.
Like I got a GameCube a while back. It had nothing with it. it was just a GameCube. I was like, well.
There's a Steelers.
What is it?
Oh, no.
I passed over $2.
Oh, there's a
Thrash.
RG3 crap.
I will remember you.
Poor guy.
There's some.
You got any video?
Yeah, there's that Wii. Isn't that the thing that, isn't that a little square black thing?
Yeah, because I found the sensor bar over here.
Oh, it's in here somewhere.
There you go.
It's in here somewhere. I just
You want that? It's got 2 extra games in there.
We did Redskin summer vacation with a look at. And coming to my house.
be patient and I will find the Wii for you.
Alright.
I got that one. What are you acting on this?
Oh,
Portis isn't bad. Who's that?
Oh, these are regular t-shirts.
Oh, nice.
I just have to look at them first.
I might buy a package. Hey, bud, look out
I
there.
haven't found yet.
Oh,
Oh, that's cool.
I haven't had time to go through that.
Flintstones. I got a bunch of old towels at home. Oh, that's cool.
It's all online business.
None of the Van Halen.
Huh?
They're all cheap, but all.
But maybe some of the other stuff.
No, that's
Batman, but I don't know what year.
Yeah, you took those.
he didn't get along.
Yeah, I know. David Lee was the best.
He was bad.
Oh, yeah.
God.
I mean, he probably
Well,
well, up
70. He did a lot of everything.
Yeah. But bad.
Yeah.
You all do see him do.
It's a dollar piece, right?
Yeah.
Oh. Reach on.
What you want on the dolls?
Oh, that's her territory.
What you want on the dolls?
You have the whole box
Yeah.
for $10, but I want the box. But we can put it in a
Okay.
cardboard box.
Yeah, and I have a bag in the truck
Oh,
too.
and there's a box of Monster High furniture over there.
See, I got too much of the furniture.
Okay.
The dolls is what I'm always out of.
Well, it's here, I promise you.
Well, here you go. She got change.
Yes, I do. Ah, okay, I owe you. I know it's here. I'm just looking. I got it.
Claudine.
I think it's in one of those. We didn't go all the way. Who do I owe $10 for?
Me, ma'am.
$3 for that one.
$3? Well, here, if you got 7.
And then turn back around and make that.
And yeah.
So I went down, I made the mistake.
And I actually have some more that I'm going to be getting rid of.
Okay.
So if you want to leave your number,
Okay.
I can call you.
Okay, so a little bit of that gamble for $10. I got these Monster High. These are like My Little Pony. Some other random Barbie stuff. Some Ever After. Some My Scene. And then all of this. Accessories, clothing, things such as that was the gamble. Thought there were more than 4 Monster High dolls, but they'll do pretty decent even with the missing limbs. And then we'll, I think collectively with this stuff and some of the accessories, we have been able to sell like 6 pair of Monster High shoes for $20, making some lots out of stuff. I think we'll get $50, you know, at the least for the stuff we have in this. But getting this for $3 was the steal. The box has a little bit of damage, but found one that actually was torn up top. Sold for $40. It's still in the box. It's a 2012 Music Festival Claudine. So not a bad pickup there. So all in all, about $90 just for the doll stuff. What size is that, Looney Tunes? I just got a all over print Bugs.
I don't think they're vintage already.
Huh?
I don't think they're an old one.
This one is.
That was older.
Mm-hmm. Just barely. This is your, yeah, 1998.
Okay.
Yeah, you can usually tell on this tag.
98. Oh yeah.
Yeah, this one's 98. This one feels old. It's Russell Athletics. Yeah, this one's old. Yeah, so it's still double stitch, but
This one's super cool. I know it's kids, but
all over print does good. Is that Disney wear made in US? Yeah, that's old.
Disney Dalmatian.
Or a women's small.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like the towels are cool. I picked up one storage unit I did. It was Power Rangers, Rugrats. It was everything. Looking pretty good.
Yeah, I was thinking about that.
I got 5 cases of old 45s.
Yeah, where at?
I clear out houses, so
Where they at? I'll come look at them.
sitting at home
Yeah.
on the shelf.
Well, I run the record shop up in Churchill.
Oh, okay.
It's called Records and Relics.
Yeah, I've seen you around. I've
Yeah,
seen you at
if
estate
you want to
sales
bring
and
them up
stuff.
there,
Yeah.
I'll be there today and tomorrow. It's up to you.
Oh, what you got there, man?
2 jackets and a Resellers.
Right there.
Oh.
30 bucks? That'll work, man.
I don't know what you're gonna do with them, resell them.
No. The one maybe sell, but the other one, no, I'm keeping it.
They're nice jackets, man.
I know. That's what I'm like. I was like, when I saw those, I was like, oh yeah, those are cool.
You know, and I picked them up here and there.
I know. I've seen you at what, Chester Goodwill one time. That's when I first met you.
Don't be saying all that in front of her.
I mean, we were handing out donations at the no, and then I actually when you picked up that Van Halen, it was at that yard sale right around the corner. Cause I said you took all the good stuff before I got
exactly
there.
Right. You bought the dolls too, huh?
Got the dolls.
You didn't get the clothes to go with it. Hang on.
Not the.
Hang on, man. Oh, this.
Oh, the furniture. No, because I have all that at home.
Okay.
That we got at the other yard sale.
I don't know.
And we all.
Yeah.
All right, I'll see you, Johnny.
All right, man.
People like you.
All right, man. If you get rid of that Sylvester shirt, you let me know.
You said you got clothes, right?
I've got 50 pairs of Monster High shoes,
Oh, really?
but they're not out here.
Okay.
But leave your number.
Oh yeah.
5.
But I do old T-shirts, collectible toys. That's
Okay.
all my world.
Well, yeah. Okay.
Right.
Let
So
me
just
put
when you
that in
find more
last
stuff.
name.
Yeah.
Oh, I don't want to put that in last name.
Well, you'll just know if you call me and say,
Yeah,
"What'd you
no.
say again?"
Okay, done.
I'll tell you.
Okay, this is John Monster.
So yeah, all in all, not a bad day. Better than how it started out. When they weren't set up, I was a little worried. But to all spend $46 for the whole day, we're gonna get at least about $250 for all of this stuff. The dolls were a little bit of a risk, but finding those jackets was great. The glasses were cool. I love the nostalgia of those you know, wrestling figures, all that stuff will be really, really good. And then the coolest part was making those connections. When I'm reminded to say, hey, don't forget to give me your number. Seems like she's very serious about having some other Monster High stuff and some other toys. So that'll be great. But also talk to that gentleman who runs the record shop. Stay tuned to the channel because I have another video coming very soon on the largest vinyl haul that I've ever got. I got some other great stuff as well. So stay tuned with that because I'm going to be probably taking all of the vinyl plus the stuff that I've had in my inventory to him to see what kind of deal we can make. So making these connections, running into people and other resellers is not always a bad thing. Everybody had their niche and I was able to pick up some really good stuff. So thanks for tuning in to today's video. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. This is just always fun to bring you what we're out there finding, flipping, and how we have fun doing it. Be sure, give this video a like, and hang out for the next one. You don't want to miss it. We'll talk to you again real soon. Make the world a better place with a sale and a smile. Bye, y'all.